Hi everyone, my name is Michelle G. for those of you that I haven't met yet, and I'm the Literacy Program Coordinator here at the library. I just wanted to take a few minutes of your time to introduce tech support sessions to everyone. Some of you may have heard me talk briefly about this at the staff meeting, but I just wanted to share a little bit more information about this important program. So what are the tech support sessions? They are one-to-one basic tech support for all general, basic computer and tech-related inquiries. Patrons can bring in their own device from home or get support on their newly checked out Tech Lending Library device. Anything tech-related is welcome to come to these sessions. So what are some examples of tech inquiries right for these sessions? Patrons can get help setting up a Google account, emailing photos, downloading a document, or using Google Translate. As a general rule of thumb, though, if someone has a tech-related question, just refer them over to tech support sessions. Our volunteers have been trained to know that if they don't have the answer to a tech question, they can just partner with the learner and help them find the right answer. So how do you make an appointment? Patrons can make a 30-minute appointment on the online appointments calendar. You can find this link in a couple different places on the HPL events calendar and on the HPL website under the Tech Lending Library. So let's take a look. If we go to the Hayward website, we navigate to using the library and then go to the Tech Lending Library page. If you scroll down, you can see here, get one-on-one tutor support. You click that and it will open to this live calendar. Any of these highlighted blue dates indicate that there's appointments available on that date. So say we wanted to make an appointment for the 8th. Here's a list of the available appointments, and we're going to come in at 4 p.m. We confirm it, and then we're going to provide some basic information like our name, our email address, one of the devices from the Tech Lending Library they could need help with, or other if it's something from home, and maybe a sentence that could help prepare the tutor for their meeting. You click schedule the event here at the bottom, and an email will be sent to the patron and the volunteer. Okay. So you can also independently access the tech support sessions through this URL. So bit.ly/tech support sessions. Are appointments required? No, they're not. Patrons can drop in as long as there is no current appointment happening. Volunteer tutors will see one patron at a time. So the current tech support session schedule is Tuesdays 10:30 to 12:30, Wednesdays 3 to 5, Thursdays 4 to 6, and Saturdays from 10:30 to 12:30. They are all located in the Digital Media Center on the second floor of the downtown Hayward Library, and all volunteers have been instructed to check in with the second floor info desk staff to lock and unlock the room. Oh, just another note about this. This schedule is subject to change as volunteers might call out sick or go on vacation, or we might recruit new volunteers who need a different time. So to get the most accurate, up-to-date version of the schedule, you can always refer to that Calendly appointments calendar that we just looked at online. So how can you help? We have started this great program. We have a lot of really eager volunteers that want to help our public, but it's been a little slow to get started. So if you encounter a patron who looks like they could use some tech support, please let them know about the program. There should be flyers at all the info desks along with the accounts desk, and I've also put up this QR code at all of the desks. When you scan the QR code, it will open directly to the calendar link to make an appointment. If someone is having any trouble making an appointment online, they can just give me a call, and my business card should be at all the info desks. So thank you so much for taking some time to listen to this. If you have any questions or feedback, I would love to talk with you, so just feel free to reach out anytime. Thanks so much.